similar announcement that has also come in from another BJP-ruled state, Madhya Pradesh, saying much the same. Let's listen into the response now that has come in from the Chief Minister.
आज कारगिल दिवस के अवसर पर यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्रीमान नरेंद्र मोदी जी की भावना के अनुसार निर्णय करती है कि हमारे यहाँ विविध प्रकार की पुलिस और सशस्त्र बलों की भर्ती में अग्निवीर जवानों को आरक्षण का लाभ देगी। अग्निवीर जवान की योजना सच्चे अर्थों में सेना के आधुनिकीकरण के साथ साथ योग्य सैनिकों की भर्ती के अलावा वैश्विक स्तर पर सेना को युवा बनाने की योजना है। मैं आज के इस अवसर पर माननीय यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्रीमान नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने कारगिल दिवस के अवसर पर जो संकल्प लिया है उसका पूर्णतः अनुसरण करते हुए मध्य प्रदेश सरकार को उनकी भावनाओं के अनुसार हम कदम से कदम मिला के चलेंगे।
All right. So even Madhya Pradesh following suit, Govind is also joining us live. You know, Govind, one would say that this has now become a political compulsion for most BJP-ruled states, you know, and possibly they might now next ask the opposition-ruled states that we've provided for this quota, why aren't you doing this? But clearly there is a larger, you know, political narrative that the opposition has been able to create vis-a-vis this scheme.
Yeah, Deepthi, you know that it's not alone Uttar Pradesh, even Madhya Pradesh is coming forward with the same kind of announcement. CM Mohan Yadav has clarified today on the occasion of Kargil Day, and he is just saying that Madhya Pradesh government will ensure the reservation in the police department in the paramilitary forces connected to Madhya Pradesh. And you know that we have been witnessing on many occasions the controversy over this scheme since it was launched. In fact, opposition has already declared when they'll come in the power, they'll shut it down. But here, add-ons are there, which are somewhat good for the BJP, as they have been making the claim that Agniveer scheme is not that much of bad as it's being criticized by the opposition. And now these chief ministers are coming forward with the good news for the Agniveers. Those who get the retirement after 5 years, they will be getting, in fact, chances of reservation to continue their service.
All right, so we'll see what happens from here on. Is there more pressure now on the opposition ruled states to follow much the same? Govind, for the moment, thank you for breaking that story for us. And with